Hey guys, so today in this video, I'll be showing you guys how to get unlimited Zems in the game ZEPETO. So let me open it up right here, and as you can see, I'm not exactly that rich. I've only got 1,000, but when I press this button, there's this mod menu that you can actually get unlimited Zems. So I just turned it on, and now they should start increasing, and then I'm going to show you how to get this modded version for your device. 2026, guys, iOS and Android. So let's get straight into the video. So I'm just going to wait for it to max out here, and then I'm going to show you guys how to do this. So bang, guys, as you can see, it is working. So I'm going to show you how to download this for your device. So let's get straight into the guide. So it's super cool. So the first thing we're going to do is go to our browser, and I just want you guys to type in tweakmod.com. So once you're on this site, guys, just find ZEPETO, press install. Now, before it downloads, there is going to be a verification. So this is the last step. So basically what you got to do is download like 2 of these apps, follow the instructions. It's completely for free. I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. So let's just wait for this to load. So I'm just going to wait, as you can see. All right, so it's just loading up right now. And then we're just going to download 2 of these apps, follow the instructions, and we should have the ZEPETO mod on our phone. So I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. So as you can see, guys, it's going to say like missing files or something. So you just want to download some of these apps. You can see we got Travel Town, Mode Casino, Lucky Match. This one's like reach level 13. So it just takes me to the App Store. I just got to play it. Then we got like tons of apps, like all these different apps. So just do 2 of them, guys. You're going to be good to go. So let's go to the App Store, and I'm just going to type in ZEPETO. And as you can see, you don't need the game installed, by the way. This is a separate modded version, but look how expensive it is. So if you guys want to pay, that's up to you, but chances are if you clicked on this video, you're not really the paying type. But yeah, make sure you go to settings, you got low power mode off, go to general, make sure you got background app refresh on, you're going to be all set. So there you go, guys, unlimited Zems today. As you can see, that is so cool. And also you can see we have anti-ban in here, so you're not going to get banned. So yeah, get the word out, guys. This is super crazy. Totally works. So if you guys are broke or something like that, I don't know what to tell you. All I'm going to say is you should really be thinking about the ZEPETO mod. This is super cool, but I'm going to see you guys later. So just make sure you download 2 of the apps, follow the instructions, and it's going to work for you guys. This is super wild. And yeah, you can actually get unlimited Zems. As you can see, guys, that is super cool. So I'm going to see you guys in another video, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel if you want to see more tutorials like this. But yeah, it fully works. So yeah, there's tons of apps here, so if one of them is against who you are, just do a different one. But you can see we got the video there too. So this is super cool. So I'm going to see you guys later, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel if you want to get unlimited Zems in 2026. So yeah, this is so crazy, guys. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I haven't had any problems with this at all. It fully works for me. So yeah, super crazy. So I'm going to see you guys in another one. You can see all the mod settings we get. So that's cool. But yeah, it's no jailbreak version. So peace out, my squadron. Hope you guys enjoyed. And yeah, there's no banning or anything. So you guys are going to be good to go on that front. So hope you guys found this useful. And I'm going to see you guys in another video, but that's how to get unlimited Zems and all that good stuff today. So peace out, my group, and peace out, my squad.